got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
We're on a weekend adventure. We left Denver early this morning to go to Glenwood Springs. We're going to the hot springs pool. We stopped by in Vail for the kids to play a little bit. They have a great pirate ship playground, so we played there for a little bit. And now we just got to Glenwood Springs and we're gonna go to the hot pool. Who's ready to go?
Oh, me! No, I won't stop. It is my time. What it's like to be broke. I know what.
So we made it to the Maroon Bells, and it seems that it's going to start raining. So we're gonna make the best out of it.
Yeah, the weather is not cooperating too much, but it's still quite nice. So we're gonna, Pavel and I are gonna spend too much time here and check it out and head back down to Aspen.
That's right. Okay, we're almost there.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight
Maroon Lake.
Where are we?
Maroon Lake.
Maroon Lake, right?
Yeah, it is a Maroon
At the Maroon Bells? Yes.
No one's now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just
I call the grasshopper a yellow jacket grasshopper. If it's yellow and it's like a yellow jacket wasp.
What did you find?
A grasshopper wasp. A bunch of yellow jacket wasps. Look at all of them. Look at it.
nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
So we finally made it to Maroon Bells. It's 3.5 to 4 hour drive from Denver, so we haven't been able to go before, but we stayed over at a friend's night at a friend's house in Eagle and then drove here in the morning, and we are enjoying the view, whereas our children are hunting the grasshoppers. So they're having fun, so that's all that matters. Adventure every day.
The grasshoppers? How many grasshoppers have you seen?
1,000.
1,000 already? It's a lot of them, right?
Probably like 20 or 30. Over there. There's 1,000 of them here. There's like a lot.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Wait! What? Oh, you
Ah, my shoe.
May grasshopper yung tad. May grasshopper yung tad.
That's so funny.
You're pretty hard.
Beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Hey guys, we're headed back home. It's not too long of a walk to the car, but there's still a shelter and we still need a bus before we can get to the car. And guys, we're going to ice caves. Yep. Like caves that have icicles in them, I think. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see you at the ice caves. We're gonna run down to the here. Come, follow me.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open road.
We're going in to the cave.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own.
Hey guys, today we're in the cave.
There's a fire we should put out, but all I know is how to fall back into